Hey guys, this is Matt. Today we're going to see if I can show you how to put some Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency into the Carbon Capital brokerage site. So basically I'm going to start out from the very beginning, from the home page here. Is if you're just logging in, you're going to go to the login bit up at the top right. In this case, I'm already logged in, so it's going to take me just straight on in. But we're going to assume that you've already created your account and you've already been verified to a level 2 trader account. Meaning that you've already submitted your proof of ID and your bill, basically just proving that you are who you say you are. And then you're going to go over here to wallets on the left-hand side, and then you're going to go to deposit. And then as you can see, you've got a whole selection of different kinds of cryptocurrencies that you can use here. You've got Bitcoin, you can use Neo, you can use Dash, you can use Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever you prefer. So you're going to scroll down. We're just going to assume that we're doing Bitcoin for now. You're going to scroll down here to the amount to pay. In this example, we're going to use $5,000. And if you look over here to the left, you can see the conversion ratio of the coin you're depositing based on whatever the market rate for Bitcoin is at that time. It kind of gives you an idea of what you need to send. From there, you're going to hit proceed down at the bottom. And then it's going to give you a deposit address. So at this point, you can either highlight and copy this entire wallet address, or you can just hit this little button over here. It'll automatically copy it for you. You can scan this QR code or download it to your desktop and scan it that way. But there's all kinds of little phone apps and wallet type applications that you can scan this QR code with and send it that way if you prefer. The only thing that I don't suggest on this is sending anything from Coinbase. There tends to be a lot of issues with Coinbase sending out to brokerages, and they have a very unique way of sending cryptos, meaning that they'll time out usually or just get rejected outright. But what ends up usually happening is you'll send it and then you'll wait a week or two before Coinbase even comes back to you and letting you know, hey, we've got your crypto back, or whatever it is that you sent. So see if you can send it from a different exchange, something outside of Coinbase like Cash App or Gemini, Binance, or another exchange. So this gives you your wallet address right here. Send it over, and within 15 to 30 minutes, you'll see it appear in your wallet up here, your fiat wallet. And then you can basically move it to your social carbon copy auto trading account right here, which opens up a different part of the website. And you can either get it trading on here automatically. You can basically just copy the auto bots or the trade copies, the professional trade copiers, whatever you see fit. Or you can just begin trading it in MT4 in the live market yourself, however you prefer to do that. If you're interested in learning more about social trade copiers or interested in learning how to trade correctly in general, please view the sign up link in the video description below and sign up. From there, you'll get free access to features like 1 to 500 leverage, 0 B-book accounts. I don't know if you are familiar with trading on brokerages or not, but if not, you'll know that you'll see that a lot of brokerages out there pretty much have almost all of their clients B-booked after the first month or so of trading. Many brokers are just 100% B-book. And the reason is basically because it increases their profits like tenfold. But as a trader, it makes it a million times harder to trade and win. There's a lot of lag time involved. It just makes it a lot more frustrating as a trader. So if you're a regular active trader, you'll understand the benefit of not having any B-book accounts. There are 0 B-book accounts on this brokerage period, and that's guaranteed. There's free education. There are signals. That's one of the other great things about this website. this brokerage, you can actually go in to the resource desk here, and boom, you've got signals, daily markups and analysis. You've got market research. You've got your own FX book. You've got related real-time economic news on the site, similar to Forex Factory. There are currency calendars. There's access to EAs that you can copy and automate. There's access to professional traders that you can copy. Pretty much just hands-free. You can be out working, sleeping, traveling the world, whatever the heck it is that you want to do, and this thing's going to be sitting here making money for you. But the cool thing is, if you're a trader, you can quite literally go in here to your trade signals and see trade signals in real time. And it'll show you everything from regular stocks like Bank of America or Wells Fargo or Alibaba, to Forex pairs, to precious metals. There's all kinds of cool stuff in here. And I mean, you can see it's very regularly updated. We even have a rating system on here that tells you what everybody else thinks about the trade calls. And let's say that that's not good enough for you, and you want to go check out technical analysis. So you can quite literally get on here and start looking at write-ups of trade signals just for just about anything that you want to look at. You've got all kinds of pairs here. You've got Bitcoin. There's technical analysis that you can find on all kinds of stuff, and it's pretty frequently updated. So all of this comes free with a Carbon Capital funded trading account. No more MLMs for trade signals or following some kid with a Lambo making his money from selling membership subscriptions. I'm sure that many of you guys watching this are probably paying hundreds of dollars in subscriptions to some kid who probably doesn't even know how to trade. And if he does know how to trade, he's very likely not actually going to show you. So hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully this means something to a lot of traders out there, and you know, the fact that there's a company out here that actually cares enough to try and do this the correct way. Thanks for checking out my video, and please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great trading tips and ideas in the future.